Introducing Axo, Axolt's AI-powered procurement assistant, built directly into Axolt ERP. Axo understands natural language, analyzes your business data in real time, and helps procurement teams make faster, smarter purchasing decisions. Every purchase order has to be accurate, because one wrong decision can increase costs, create duplicate purchases, or delay customer deliveries. Axo brings intelligence directly into the purchase order creation process, helping buyers spend less time searching for information and more time making confident procurement decisions. Let's begin by creating a purchase order. Instead of manually searching hundreds of products, simply describe what you need, or upload a supplier quotation containing the list of requested items. Axo reads the document, matches every product with your ERP catalog, automatically adds the matched items to the purchase order, and highlights anything that requires your attention. What once took several minutes of manual entry now happens in seconds. Once the products are added, the next question becomes, do we actually need to purchase all of them? Axo immediately checks inventory availability across your warehouses. Products with sufficient stock are clearly identified, while only genuine shortages are recommended for procurement. This prevents unnecessary purchasing and helps maintain healthier inventory levels. For the remaining products, choosing the right supplier becomes the next decision. Axo recommends the most suitable alternate vendors by analyzing historical pricing, supplier performance, and delivery reliability. The next question is, are we purchasing at the best available price? As prices are entered, Axo compares them against historical purchasing records. If the current price is higher than previous purchases, Axo immediately highlights the difference and presents the historical comparison, helping buyers negotiate better pricing before the purchase order is finalized. Before submitting the purchase order, Axo performs one final validation. Axo checks for open and partially received purchase orders containing the same products. If a duplicate purchase is detected, it alerts the buyer with the related purchase order details. From there, buyers can simply remove products that are already on the way and continue purchasing only the items that are still required. From intelligent product addition and inventory validation to vendor recommendations, price intelligence, and duplicate purchase prevention, Axo transforms purchase order creation into a faster, smarter, and more reliable procurement experience.